The luxury car market is a financial slaughterhouse for the original buyer. Dealerships want you to believe that a heavily depreciated luxury car is a ticking time bomb waiting to bankrupt you with repair bills. Most of the time, they are completely right. But if you possess the exact mechanical knowledge to navigate the engine codes and suspension options, you can exploit this depreciation. Today, I am exposing 6 world-class luxury cars you can buy for pennies on the dollar. We will cover the exact configurations to hunt for, the disastrous engines you must avoid, and exactly what will break first. Let us begin. Number 6, the 2014 to 2020 Acura RLX. We are starting with a flagship luxury sedan that was a complete commercial failure for the manufacturer, which makes it an absolute goldmine for the used car buyer. The Acura RLX was designed to compete directly with the BMW 7 Series and the Mercedes S-Class. It features an incredibly spacious interior, premium Krell audio systems, and vault-like build quality. Because consumers completely ignored it in favor of German badges, the RLX suffered catastrophic depreciation. You can find original $60,000 models sitting on used lots for under $15,000 today. You must target the 2014 to 2017 models equipped exclusively with front-wheel drive. These years are the sweet spot because they pair the incredibly reliable J35 V6 with a traditional bulletproof 6-speed automatic transmission. While the 2018 and newer models move to a more complex 10-speed, the earlier 6-speed is the mechanical masterpiece Honda spent decades perfecting. This powertrain will effortlessly cross 250,000 miles with nothing more than routine timing, belt replacements, and standard fluid changes. You must avoid the Acura RLX Sport Hybrid model at all costs. To increase performance, Acura bolted 3 separate highly complex electric motors to a dual-clutch automatic transmission and a high-voltage lithium-ion battery pack. While the engineering is fascinating, repairing a 10-year-old out-of-warranty hybrid dual-clutch system will result in an apocalyptic repair bill that easily exceeds the entire cash value of the vehicle. If you buy the safe front-wheel drive model, it comes equipped with a system called PAWS, or Precision All-Wheel Steer. The rear wheels actually steer slightly to help cornering. The electronic actuators attached to the rear steering knuckles are highly susceptible to water intrusion and inevitably seize up. When they fail, the dashboard will illuminate with terrifying warning lights. Replacing the rear steering actuators will cost you roughly $1,200 to $1,500 at an independent mechanic. Once replaced, the car is virtually indestructible. Exploiting a forgotten Japanese flagship is a brilliant financial move, but the next vehicle on our list is a breathtaking Swedish masterpiece that hides a highly pressurized, catastrophic secret under its hood. Number 5, the 2017 to 2019 Volvo S90. If you want absolutely stunning, minimalist Scandinavian design, the Volvo S90 is unmatched. The interior features open pore wood, incredibly soft Nappa leather, and seats that were literally designed by orthopedic surgeons. It looks and feels like an $80,000 executive transport vehicle, but because European luxury cars depreciate like falling rocks, you can find these gorgeous sedans sitting on used lots for barely $20,000. However, Volvo executed a highly experimental engine strategy for this generation, and buying the wrong one will completely destroy your bank account. You must explicitly hunt for the T5 powertrain. The T5 is a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine equipped with a single, traditional exhaust-driven turbocharger. It provides excellent, smooth power and avoids the terrifying mechanical complexities of the higher trim levels. Bolted to a proven ASIN 8-speed automatic transmission, the T5 is the only reliable way to own this Swedish luxury vault. You must run for your life from the T6 and T8 powertrains. Volvo decided that a single turbocharger was not enough. For the T6, they added a belt-driven mechanical supercharger to the exact same small engine. It is both supercharged and turbocharged simultaneously, generating immense unmanageable thermal heat and extreme internal cylinder pressure. The T8 adds a highly complex plug-in hybrid electric system to that already overstressed engine. The T6 and T8 engines are notorious for blown piston rings, completely shattered supercharger clutches, and catastrophic electrical failures that easily command $5,000 repair bills. Even on the reliable T5, you are going to encounter 2 specific failures. First, the iPad-style Sensus infotainment screen in the center of the dash controls everything, including the air conditioning. Early models frequently suffer from software crashes, causing the screen to endlessly reboot. A dealer software flash usually fixes this, but if the main processing module dies, it is a $1,500 repair. Secondly, the air conditioning evaporator hidden deep inside the dashboard is prone to leaking Freon. To replace it, a mechanic must remove the entire dashboard from the vehicle, resulting in a labor-heavy $2,000 invoice. Navigating complex Swedish turbos requires intense discipline, but the next brand on our list completely disrupted the luxury market by offering an executive Korean tank at an unbelievable discount. Number 4. The 2015 to 2018 Genesis G80 and Hyundai Genesis. In 2015, Hyundai decided they wanted to directly attack the BMW 5 Series and the Mercedes E-Class. They launched the second-generation Hyundai Genesis sedan, which was later rebranded as the Genesis G80. This vehicle is incredibly heavy, entirely rear-wheel drive biased, and packed with high-end luxury materials. Because the luxury market is incredibly badge snobbish, wealthy buyers scoffed at the Hyundai heritage. The resulting depreciation was brutal. You can buy these world-class luxury cruisers for roughly $15,000 to $18,000, making it one of the smartest financial decisions in the automotive world. You must target the 3.8-liter naturally aspirated Lambda V6 engine. This engine is an absolute workhorse. It produces over 300 horsepower, requires no expensive turbochargers, and is incredibly inexpensive to maintain. It uses a heavy-duty timing chain and is bolted to an in-house 8-speed automatic transmission that is exceptionally durable. This V6 configuration is famously used in executive black car fleets because it effortlessly surpasses 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. You should exercise severe caution around the optional 5.0-liter Tau V8 engine. While a massive V8 sounds appealing, the 5.0-liter is heavily prone to extreme, unmanageable oil consumption as it ages. The piston rings wear out prematurely, allowing oil to completely bypass the cylinders and burn right out of the exhaust. Furthermore, cramming a massive V8 into the engine bay makes simple repairs incredibly difficult, skyrocketing your labor costs at the mechanic. The Genesis is incredibly reliable, but it suffers from highly specific cosmetic and accessory failures. The most common issue is the panoramic sunroof. The heavy glass panels ride on fragile plastic tracks. Over time, the tracks warp and bind, causing the sunroof to loudly rattle over bumps or violently jam in the open position. Rebuilding the sunroof tracks will cost you roughly $800 to $1,000. Additionally, the anti-glare coating on the factory infotainment screen frequently delaminates in the hot sun, making the screen look permanently smudged and cracked. A replacement screen unit is roughly $600. A massive Korean luxury sedan is the ultimate budget cruiser, but what if you want a high-performance German sports car disguised as an SUV? The next vehicle suffered terrifying depreciation, but hides a legendary engine if you buy the exact right year. Number 3. The 2015 to 2018 Porsche Macan S. Owning a Porsche is the ultimate automotive flex. The Porsche Macan is widely considered the absolute best-handling SUV on the planet. It drives exactly like a lifted sports car. Brand new, a well-equipped Macan easily commanded $70,000 to $80,000. But German luxury parts terrify the used car market, meaning you can now buy a used Macan S for the exact same price as a used Honda CR-V, roughly $20,000 to $25,000. It is an incredible bargain, provided you dodge the catastrophic suspension options. You must explicitly find a Macan S equipped with the 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, and you must verify it is riding on traditional steel coil spring suspension. The 3.0-liter V6 is an incredibly robust, over-engineered powerhouse that provides violent, exhilarating acceleration. Bolted to Porsche's legendary PDK dual-clutch transmission, this steel-sprung setup gives you absolute supercar performance without the terrifying maintenance liabilities of the higher trims. You must run away from the highly expensive Macan turbo models or any Macan equipped with the PASM air suspension system. When a German air suspension system hits 80,000 miles, the rubber air bladders completely dry rot and violently burst, slamming the vehicle to the ground. Replacing the air struts and the burned-out air compressor on a Porsche will result in a devastating apocalyptic repair bill exceeding $5,000. Never buy a depreciated German car with air suspension. Even the reliable Macan S has two highly documented expensive Achilles heels. First, the all-wheel drive transfer case is notoriously fragile. Early transfer cases suffered from moisture intrusion and burned up their internal clutch packs, causing the car to violently jerk and hesitate under acceleration. Porsche extended the warranty on many of these, but out of pocket, a new transfer case is $3,000. Second, the aluminum timing cover on the front of the V6 engine is notorious for snapping its aluminum bolts, causing a massive oil leak down the front of the engine. To fix this leak, the engine must be partially dropped from the vehicle, resulting in a $2,500 labor invoice. Repairing a Porsche transfer case is painful, but the next vehicle represents the absolute pinnacle of modern German engineering. It is a stunning Bavarian sedan that finally abandoned its fragile past and utilized an engine that Toyota literally begged to use. Number 2, the 2017 to 2019 BMW 540i G30 generation. Historically, buying a heavily depreciated, out-of-warranty BMW 5 Series was financial suicide. They were plagued by exploding plastic cooling systems, catastrophic rod bearing failures, and highly complex electrical gremlins. The depreciation was entirely justified. However, in 2017, BMW introduced the G30 generation, and they secretly dropped one of the greatest engines ever manufactured directly under the hood. You can now buy a $65,000 luxury missile for roughly $22,000, and it is actually reliable. You must buy the BMW 540i. Do not let the badge confuse you. It does not have a 4.0-liter engine. The 540i is exclusively powered by the B58 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine. This engine is an absolute masterpiece of structural rigidity and thermal management. The engine block is a closed-deck design, meaning it is virtually indestructible under high boost pressure. It is so unbelievably reliable that Toyota literally bought the rights to use this exact engine in their modern Supra. Bolted to the legendary ZF 8-speed automatic transmission, the 540i is a bulletproof luxury rocket. You must completely ignore the BMW 550i. The 550i is powered by the N63 twin-turbo V8 engine. BMW engineers placed the massive turbochargers directly inside the V of the engine block. This is known as a hot V setup. It generates immense apocalyptic thermal heat that literally bakes the valve stem seals, melts the plastic coolant lines, and destroys the engine wiring harness. The N63 V8 will absolutely bankrupt you with $10,000 repair bills. Stick strictly to the inline six. While the B58 engine is a tank, the accessories bolted to it are still made of plastic. The most common failure is the engine coolant expansion tank. The plastic seams inevitably split under pressure, leaking coolant and triggering a low coolant warning on your dashboard. Replacing the tank and bleeding the complex cooling system will cost roughly $600. Additionally, the active grille shutters located behind the front bumper frequently jam shut due to road debris or failed actuator motors. This prevents airflow to the radiator and throws a check engine light. A new shutter assembly is roughly $800 at an independent shop. The BMW Inline 6 is a modern miracle, but our absolute #1 vehicle is the undisputed heavyweight champion of luxury reliability. It depreciated by $50,000, yet it is quietly capable of effortlessly surpassing 500,000 miles. Number 1. The 2007 to 2012 Lexus LS460. When you want absolute uncompromising world-class luxury that completely rivals a Rolls-Royce in ride quality and interior silence, you buy a flagship sedan. The Lexus LS460 originally commanded an outrageous sticker price approaching $80,000. It features a stunning cabin draped in premium semi-aniline leather, rich wood trim, and double-pane acoustic glass that blocks outside wind noise. The Mark Levinson surround sound audio system is legendary, and the ride is so incredibly plush, it completely erases the jagged pavement beneath you. Because it is a massive, heavy sedan powered by a thirsty V8 engine, the depreciation curve was incredibly steep. Original buyers traded them in, and the second-hand market avoided the luxury maintenance costs. You can find pristine, well-maintained examples today for $10,000 to $14,000. It is the greatest used luxury bargain on the planet. You must specifically hunt for a rear-wheel drive model equipped exclusively with standard steel coil spring suspension. The powertrain is the legendary one, UREFSA 4.6-liter V8 engine. This engine features incredibly tight machining tolerances and a heavy-duty steel timing chain that never requires replacement. Toyota engineers designed this block with a brilliant dual fuel injection system known as D4S. It uses direct injection for raw power and traditional port injection to wash the intake valves with fuel, preventing the hard carbon buildup that destroys modern German V8 engines. Bolted to the world's first 8-speed automatic transmission, the powertrain operates at low revolutions on the highway, creating a mechanical fortress. If you strictly buy the rear-wheel drive model with steel springs, you eliminate 90% of the potential failure points that plague luxury vehicles. You must run away from the all-wheel drive models and any LS460 equipped with the factory air suspension system. The Lexus air suspension provides a flawless ride, but the proprietary rubber air struts inevitably dry rot and fail. When a strut leaks, the system forces the electric air compressor to run without stopping until it melts and burns out. Replacement struts cost roughly $1,500 per corner, plus the cost of a new compressor. Furthermore, the all-wheel drive models use highly complex multi-link front control arms. Because the front drive axles occupy the exact same space, these arms are exceptionally difficult to access and replace, skyrocketing your labor rates at the mechanic. Do not buy the AWD Air Ride models unless you possess a massive repair budget. Even the safest LS460 has two highly documented, incredibly expensive Achilles heels. The most terrifying failure is the electronic brake actuator. This highly complex pump controls the ABS and regulates hydraulic brake pressure. When the internal accumulator fails to hold pressure, an audible alarm sounds inside the cabin. The dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree, and the brake pedal turns rock hard. You lose power braking assist entirely. Replacing the brake actuator is a highly specialized job, requiring proprietary dealership software to bleed the hydraulic lines. It costs an absolutely brutal $2,500 to $3,000. Secondly, the heavy front end of the vehicle puts massive stress on the front suspension control arms. The thick rubber bushings pressed into the aluminum arms inevitably tear and completely separate. When this happens, the suspension geometry collapses. It causes the car to clunk loudly over speed bumps, wander across highway lanes, and chew through the inner edges of your front tires. You cannot press new rubber into the old metal. Replacing the complete set of upper and lower front control arms with high-quality OEM components will cost you roughly $1,800. If this video just saved you from buying a ticking luxury time bomb or armed you with the exact configurations you need to hunt for a masterpiece, hit that subscribe button right now. And do not forget to like this video. We are building a massive community of drivers who absolutely refuse to be scammed by the automotive industry. There is a video popping up on your screen right now exposing 10 incredibly popular used cars you must avoid because of one catastrophic, engine-destroying flaw. Click it before you forget. I will meet you over there.